Hey guys, we are showing these Zukro glass juice bottles with lids for juicing, 18 on sizes. We received this for test and try. They are the reusable clear glass bottles with a stainless steel airtight cap. This can be also be used for refrigeration or the 100% leak proof and the BPA free. So there are sets of six bottles as you can see and comes with some accessories. Let me just take out all these bottles and show it to you. So the basically it's just not for the juice, but you can also use any other beverage that you want to use in this one. This is a really nice glass bottles, clear and good, and you can easily able to clean this one. And there is a supplied brush as well that you can use to clean these bottles from inside. So this is the handle that you can put in and use this brush to clean up the bottles. This is a funnel that you can use and for the ice tray or you can ice cubes that you can make. And these are the bottles that's come. So you can see very nice sleek design, 18 ounces size and very nice on the top. And then this airtight lid. So for the brush also you can easily clean as I mentioned. So this is also a dishwasher safe or you can also use it in a dishwasher to clean and then anywhere. So see, this is how you clean up the bottles, and then this is the airtight lid, stainless steel, which have this. So for the funnel, you can also put it like the juice or the water, easy to put in. So say like you can just put in the water through this funnel, and then you can just close this lid. So once you close, this is the airtight, so this leak proof, as you can see, no water is dripping out, and then there's nothing coming out of it, and so this is a very nice design and very sleek, is easily handled that you can easily carry in your hands or the grip in your hands. And then you can put it in the refrigerator or anywhere other use. So I like this airtight lid with the stainless steel top and the plastic knob so that nothing will come out. And these bottles are also made of premium glass. All bottles are same. So basically a very nice set with a small ice tray, funnel, brush, and the six bottles with the airtight stainless steel lid. You can also use it for a normal water drinking or the cold water or juice or beverage and can also be used for any other beverage of your choice. Overall, this is a really nice bottle set.